Unboxing time. What's inside this mysterious AppSumo box? Okay, I'm genuinely excited. Could this be the future of video? Let's dive in and see what these AI avatars can do. First impression, slick interface, modern design, super intuitive layout. Here's the star. Lifelike multilingual AI avatars, ready to talk. Look at this. The avatar moves like a real person. I'm choosing an avatar. There are so many realistic options. Let's test the voice. I'll type my script right here. Wow, it speaks my words flawlessly. Natural tone, clear accent. Now let's switch languages. Trying Spanish next. Instant dubbing. No lag, no awkward pauses. Impressive. The avatar's lips sync perfectly with every language. I'm adding some gestures. It feels almost human. Educators, imagine your lessons with this interactive assistant. Sales pros, your pitches just got a major upgrade. Content creators, you can reach global audiences easily. Let's try uploading my own presentation slides. The avatar presents my slides, engaging and dynamic. I can customize appearance, gestures, and even background. Let's test another feature, video dubbing in French. It's seamless. The avatar adapts instantly, voice sounds authentic. No need for expensive voice actors or translators. I'm impressed by the time saved, just a few clicks. The avatars are expressive, not robotic or stiff. Let's see how it handles complex terminology. Even technical jargon sounds natural and clear. I'm recording a quick training module for my team. The avatar delivers it with confidence and clarity. Switching to Japanese still looks and sounds fantastic. You can preview and tweak everything before exporting. Exporting is fast, ready to share in minutes. Let's talk about the core advantage: engagement. People pay attention to faces, especially lifelike ones. Multilingual dubbing means no audience is left out. Interactive assistants boost retention and understanding. Perfect for online courses, product demos, and pitches. I love how easy it is. No technical skills needed. Warning: you might get addicted to creating new avatars. If you want to stand out, this is a game changer. I highly recommend trying lifelike AI avatars on AppSumo. Ready to boost your videos? Click the link below. Don't miss out. Bring your content to life today.